Hello, my dear student. How are you? Today's topic, right form of verb. Actually, right form verb is a very important. Okay, follow the whiteboard. Right form of verb. Zulto, yet, just time, already, recently, থাকলে, present, perfect tense ধরতে হবে। Okay? যেমন he writes a letter just time. এই just time আছে এখানে, এই জন্য এটাকে present perfect tense. Subject third person singular number, এই জন্য answer হবে has written. Written. Okay. Next, he finished the work. Is already a say. Is now he has finished. Okay. আশা করি রুলটি ভালো লেগেছে। বেস্ট অফ লাক। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।